Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dota 2 new patches using an easy method. First, always read the official patch notes to understand the core changes. Pay close attention to hero ability adjustments and item reworks. This foundational knowledge is crucial for adapting your gameplay. Focusing on a couple of roles will help you master the new strategies more efficiently. Next, dive into specific hero and item adaptations. Some heroes might become much stronger or weaker, so adjust your picks accordingly. Try out new item combinations. A small change can drastically alter a hero's power spike. Observing professional players can provide valuable insights into optimal builds and playstyles for the current patch. Understanding map changes and objective control is vital. New patches often introduce alterations to the map, including neutral camp placements and bounty runes. Securing Roshan and other major objectives, like the Tormentor, provides significant team benefits. Effective warding for vision control is essential to gain an advantage over your opponents. Finally, consistent practice and self-improvement are key. Start with unranked games to experiment freely with new heroes and builds without the stress of losing rank. Always review your replays to pinpoint errors and understand better decision-making. Clear communication with your teammates will lead to more successful team fights and objective takes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.